Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our video about how to read electric diagram. In first page we have two wire with sign of UPS. UPS is mean uninterruptible power supply. It's used if main power cut off, used to supply HMI and PLC to prevent broke to program and damage to electronic equipment and give you time to make shutdown and stop the machine. This character F121, it's represent MCB or miniature circuit breaker. Is used to switch off and switch on the circuit. You see here this miniature circuit breaker MCB with two pull inputs, two pull outputs, and switch off and switch on the circuit. After that we have this character. This character represent power supply. Power supply convert AC volt to DC volt. In this project we have PLC HMI sensor work on 24 voltage DC, so that power supply convert AC volt to 24 DC voltage and distribute it to whole circuit. You see this power supply with AC volt and output with DC volt. In the second page we have cable with three-phase AC voltage input to this character. This character represent overload. Overload used to control the circuit if the current exceed the limit that's set in overload. Overload switch off the circuit to prevent damage to electric component. You see here this overload with three-phase input, three-phase output, button for switch off, switch on the overload, and screw to set the ampere that we want to set. After that we have this character. This character represent frequency converter with three-phase input converted to DC, make operation, change voltage, and discharge it to three-phase induction motor. You see here different type of frequency converter, from small one to bigger one. It depends on how much kilowatts motor that we want to control it. And finally we have this character. This character is called break or chopper circuit. It's used to prevent damage to frequency converter by discharge the voltage if motor is stopped suddenly. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.